Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are, whenever you are. Thank you for watching this live stream with Mr. M. How you doing, man?
Doing good, man. We were having a chat. Hey, how's the
bus? I think the short bus got sideswiped. We're going to be talking about that later on in the show. Like, were you surprised that the short bus went off the rails a little bit?
No. I would not be surprised to know that the bus crashed.
Yeah. Man, oh wow. Yes. So for those of you who don't know, we get really filthy halfway through the show. We end up investing in crappy altcoins and meme coins and stuff like that, and basically see if we can secure the bloodline.
That's the mission.
Bloodline security.
We're gonna find it. We are going to find it. It's just a matter of time, right? It's not a when. It's not an if. It's a when.
Yes, and when we do, and I feel that we will. I feel that this will happen. If we are lucky, it's our fault insurance. But if you are unlucky, well, that's your fault insurance.
That's your fault insurance.
Right? We didn't suggest that you follow us, right? So we're just saying, we're just doing this craziness in the hopes and praise that we secure the bloodline. There's a good chance, because we're here and we're in it, that we could hit something big.
Exactly. And to be honest, it's quite the opposite. Just don't do any of this. I mean, no financial advice. Don't do any of this. Just buy Bitcoin and you'll be off. You'll be all right. You'll be all right.
So hit the like, hit the subscribe, sit down, get your popcorn, just watch us lose money until the day that we make money.
It's very much.
And yeah, it's gonna be a fun ride for sure. All right. Also, hit the subscribe at Mr. M's podcast. He's got another podcast there, and I've seen his schedule. It's crazy. You've got like lots of pods lined up, right?
The next 2 weeks are going to be nuts. Also, we have Token 2049, so there's a lot of people in Dubai. I have a really crazy
schedule
ahead, yeah. We also have another Maybach session coming. I think it's Thursday. And the guest is going to be a top guest, so it's going to be super interesting. The last video I uploaded with Manuel, it's super, super good. If you are into charts and averages and prediction, you need to watch this one.
I feel good that I didn't sell my butthole.
Selling your bottle is never a good idea. There you go. You want to hold that one, right?
You got to hold that.
Hold the bottle.
Damn.
Yeah, no, Manuel is awesome. If you do like charts, and he goes into a daily, weekly, he talks about averages. He gives a shocking prediction in the end. So if you have not seen it, it's actually one of my absolute favorite. It's a really cool guy.
Really? Wow. Yep. There's a lot of views here, man. Wow.
Yeah, it's growing nicely. Indeed.
Someone who doesn't need any views and just needs to be silent.
It's Jim. I love this. The post is, Jim, you have one job this week. Say nothing. Shh. Guys, as you know, inverse Kramer is our favorite indicator. Right?
Yes.
So, Jim, say nothing, please.
Yes.
Shut up.
You could say Bitcoin's going to zero, though. That'd be allowed.
Yeah, but I'd rather him just say quiet, just in case. Because he can say it later. He can say it in a few months, but let's break this resistance we are facing in, right? And then we'll be good to go. But I thought it was hilarious. That's the Pepe.
I know.
Oh man, that's hilarious. Because look, I don't know if you agree with me, but our friend CryptoBird posted this and he said accurate, which I marry 100%. You can see that we are in the final pull in the run, right? So we've done the bear market, the pre-bull run, the first run, and now technically we should enter into the second phase of the bull run, which is the most bullish of the cycle.
Should.
With a good amount of opium.
Cherries and nuts, man. Cherries.
Good amount of opium.
Cherries and nuts with a tank, like a truck tank full of opium. Yes, we love our opium.
We do love the opium indeed. But 100K should be back in the charts. Yeah, Bitcoin will go to 100,000. Yes, I agree. I agree. I also think it's going back to 100K. Like if you look at this chart, it's another historical volatility, local lows kind of view. I like when, by the way, we zoom out and we look into the monthly or the weekly or like a longer time frame. You can see here we've seen August, January, July, and April 2025, where those green arrows are at the top of the chart. And we should again enter into a appreciation rally.
Yeah.
Starting.
Don't know why if we don't.
If we don't, that would be the first time, right? So, yeah.
Let's see. Vamos a ver.
Vamos. That's another good indicator. The OTC desk balance is going down. So here's an interesting one, because when people buy Bitcoin on OTC, right, off the counter, you can't see the reflection in the price because it happens privately in between two people, right?
So take a look at how the balance, right? The OTC balance is like at less than just above 100K. Right?
It has to be one of the lowest point we've seen it so far, which is a fantastic indicator, because it means that people are exchanging fiat and or whatever, maybe USDT or other asset for Bitcoin privately. So the amount of exchanges, amount of Bitcoin into exchanges is going down, the OTC is going down, and the price is going up. So there's going to be a supply shock at some point.
Yeah, that's crazy. At the top here, you see the OTC desk had a, right at the top of the last bull run, the OTC desk was fully stacked, right? They were fully loaded, right? They only exited right about here, right? Boom.
You can see clearly they kind of sold at the top-ish, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So now we should see that going up again. I mean, that would be healthy. So the blue, purple line, whatever, should go back and retrace with the white.
Exactly. That's pretty nifty. This is a nifty chart to say, hey, you know what? Where are you getting this Bitcoin? You want some? Where are you going to get it?
Who's going to sell it to you?
Yeah.
I mean, exchanges, they don't have much supply. OTC desk is going down. So who's going to sell it? I'm expecting a big
Yes.
price supply shock there. And look at this total balance and change of large holders is going up. So again, we are showing that there is interest, that people want to buy the asset, but we are also showing that the asset is scarcer and scarcer. And the halving effect, I mean, you've seen every cycle, the halving effect is not immediate. It takes time, right?
But it should have started some of the effect. I mean, already. I mean, we did see a little bit, right, with December, right? The rally up to 100K and stuff like that. But we should have had a little bit more of a shock, price shock. But hey, I think maybe that was it for the what's it called, the halving event. But the new price shock is going to be the fact that, well, what Bitcoin you want Bitcoin? You want Bitcoin?
Good luck in finding it.
Good luck, because I'm keeping mine. You keeping yours?
100%.
There you go.
Yep.
Good luck.
And by the way, Sailor purchased more Bitcoin. Metaplanet purchased more Bitcoin. We're going to go into the Q1 earning in 2025. You will see many more companies are coming out and doing this. Plus, global liquidity is going up, which means Bitcoin is going to follow. I mean, technically should. Of course, everything is a speculation here because we can't know what happens tomorrow. But based on previous data we can project future performances. Right?
Yeah, they want to fire up the printing presses everywhere. So, hey, you know what? Somebody's got to pay for the tariffs, and I'm sure the people who have access to the printing press, they're not paying.
No,
they're gonna print.
They're gonna print.
There you go.
Yep.
And you got to work for it, just so you know. But they get free money. So you work, right? Other people get free money so that you could work for them, slave. Good luck.
That's pretty much the plan.
That's why you have Bitcoin.
Indeed. And look at these quarterly Bitcoin holdings. Look at Q1 2025. You can see there is an orange pillar, which indicates that in Q1 2025, the earnings of the companies have gone higher than ever.
You know what? Can we at the same time move these things so that, because a lot of this is cut off. So If we can.
Because maybe we changed the computer.
Yeah, because we changed the computer. So let's adjust
resolution.
it.
Okay, give me 1 sec.
Okay, so anyways, whilst he adjusts that, right, so that you guys could actually see what's going on
in real time.
Yeah, exactly how to fix this. But anyways, let me just discuss. I can't switch, right?
You have to, because if you switch, I won't be able to.
Yeah, it won't be. Okay, never mind. Then do it now.
I gotta do it now. Okay.
So, anyways, as I was saying, quarterly Bitcoin holdings was okay. So, as you can see, companies are buying, and I'm wondering, where did they get this Bitcoin, right? We all know that Bitcoin is going to be the money, and if you're saying no, we don't. What are you talking about, dude?
I know. Right?
Okay, so all this time we're using money that somebody else gets to print for free, and you don't think people are gonna go, yeah, you know what? Let's stop doing that. Let's stop doing that.
Maybe we should do it anymore.
Maybe if you should just work for your money and not have it for free and enslave the rest of us. Wouldn't that be better?
That would be something I.
Wouldn't you agree with that stance?
That would be.
So if you agree with that stance, then you know that's gonna happen.
Yeah. That sounds about right.
So what are you doing waiting for you're on the sidelines not holding any Bitcoin? Dude, what's wrong with you? You have some serious problems? Right? We're pulling it out. I remember one person, I had to put a mic drop, right, for him because he asked me, like, who polices Bitcoin? I'm like, math.
Oh yeah, on X. I've seen the reply. That was hilarious, actually. Math. It seems pretty good to me. Like if you have math policing something,
You'll take it.
I'm pretty happy with that.
Yeah.
As opposed to corrupted humans.
Exactly.
Right.
So
everything is fixed.
It's like, can you imagine if we had humans controlling what's it called, physics? Do you think our solar system would fall apart?
They have to pay for gravity.
Exactly.
Hey, your gravity check didn't come in. Oh no.
Your gravity check. You didn't pay, so that's why you're not staying on the ground. Mm-hmm. Like, come on, man.
I know. That's I'd rather math take care of gravity.
Exactly.
So I'll be happy with that.
The realities take care of gravity. So that's what Bitcoin is. It's a fixed reality. Okay? Right? And if you say, well, no, it's not. What if everybody agrees to change it?
Well, that would
on what planet do you think everybody agrees on anything?
Yeah, but also arguably there would be a different Bitcoin, right?
Exactly, it wouldn't be Bitcoin.
There would be something else. The Bitcoin that everyone has, the ticker will be Bitcoin that everyone agrees.
Yeah, exactly. No. Yeah, but everyone but Da Vinci and
Mr. M.
And Mr. M.
That's the ticker.
Yeah.
That's the ticker. Yeah.
That's never going to happen, right? Relax. And even if people like 50% or 75% agree, eventually those 75% or 50% or whatever percent is going to realize,
maybe we should go back to the one. We should go back to the one who has a ticker.
Maybe we shouldn't temper with math. Maybe.
Just a thought. Fair enough.
Yeah.
All right. By the way, the show is fixed now, so you can see the screen is fixed. This happened yesterday, which is interesting. Historic moment where Bukele was next to Trump. I watched parts of it. There are clips on X and hilarious because they didn't hold back to CNN.
Really?
Oh yeah.
Oh man.
I think PBD tweeted.
You gotta send me some of these clips,
I'll
man.
send you. I think PBD sent. He tweeted something like, "Oh boy, the CNN is not having a good day today because they've gone in."
Really? Oh man.
They've gone in hard. So I'll send
You should have had. We should have had some of those. At least one of those clips, man.
Yeah, the audio is not the greatest.
I see.
Yeah, that's why I didn't share it.
Okay.
I'll try to find one for tomorrow if I
Yeah,
can.
yeah. Find one for tomorrow because this show's about having fun, right? So.
I know. I had 3. I watched 3 of them, but the audio was really bad. It was probably clipped by I don't know somewhere. Even the one that PBD shared was not good enough. But I had to, with my headphones and struggling understanding. But they did not hold back. They talked about criminals in El Salvador and the fact that they deported someone who was wrongly convicted, and they didn't hold a single punch.
Nice.
Yeah. It was,
oh damn! I gotta listen to this humor.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's definitely a good shot. I wonder if they discussed about Bitcoin.
Probably.
Yes.
Oh damn!
I think there's been a conversation there.
Or two.
For a brief amount, right?
Second.
Exactly. All right. Yeah, we discussed about this. Trade war as the M2 money supply is going to come in. So again, there's an interesting article that talks about the fact that there is going to be a lot of traders speculating on the fact that there's going to be liquidity coming in the market. I am personally expecting a rally. So we'll see. As we discussed yesterday, there is, how much it was? 9 billion at 90K liquidation. So
yeah,
they're going to take it, right?
But don't worry. Don't worry about those liquidations, man. Those are people who could print money. But dude, I wanna point something out. There's only 39 likes. Dude, how many people are watching, man? Like 2? Only 3,000. Okay. Let's see how much on what's it called, YouTube?
About 200.
200. All right, guys. At least give us 100 likes, man. 100 for you 200 people that are watching. Thank you.
We need to
very
get to
much.
150 for the Q&A, right? So, yeah, that's a good point.
Exactly. And if you're all watching on Twitter, you could come over on YouTube, quickly hit the like button. That wouldn't hurt either. Okay? Thank you.
That will help us. That will help the algorithm. It's going to push the show further. Yeah, I agree.
Exactly. Okay. And then you could chat with us too, right? Because you have access to the chat. Okay.
Exactly. XRP, will the rally continue?
How about new? Ah, damn.
I mean, we have a small segment on altcoins here. Like I don't know. We had a chat before the show, and there is a portion of my brain who's expecting an altcoin season coming in. Right?
Yeah, a little bit maybe. But I could show you a chart that's going to slap. That says, "Yeah, I'm going to slap you into next week." I mean, for buying alts.
Maybe like you said, excuse me, earlier, it would be like a pop and then a punishment.
Yeah, your only hopium here, maybe we should take a look at the daily because I'm looking at the weekly, is that we bounce off of this key resistance, and then we come and try to retest the lows here. If we break this low, right, then we have like a super altcoin season that's coming. But we just have to do the body, I guess. But that would be huge. That would be epic. Just this move here would be epic, right, for your alts. Totally epic. Yeah. Like just coming down here. Jesus.
Oh, that would be like fire.
Yeah. But if we were to go to a daily, right? Let's see what the daily is looking at. If it has any kind of hopium for you all. Because this is a 2-week chart. Ouch. Ouch.
Did we just made it worse?
Yeah. Ouch.
I mean, I guess, is there a scenario in which you see both Bitcoin and altcoin rising together? That's the question, I think.
Did I not have the rate? Okay, there we go. So basically, if we move this, you could say right here, we're coming right back. We've broke this upper trend line. You have a little bit of hopium, right? That it doesn't recapture this trend line, and then it fails. Yeah,
it goes back down. Yeah,
which doesn't mean that it does it mean that the bearish case is meaning that we're going to come all the way down to 50%
Yeah, that's not going to happen.
I mean, yeah, we come back down and retest this previous resistance, right? That's your best case scenario. We come back and retest the 62. What is it? 62%. Yeah, 62%. There you go.
Yeah, this is the best. This is the best comment.
That's the
best comment I've seen in the past few months. Farcoin's market cap has surpassed Krispy Kreme's. Wow. Wow. Imagine trying to explain this to someone. Thanks, man. You just made my day. This is the best comment I've seen in a long time. Farcoin's market cap has surpassed Krispy Kreme's. Wow. Legendary comment.
Wild. Hopium,
yeah. Ethereum, it's poised to maybe bounce back from this level. I mean, it's, to be honest, it's about time that he's going to do something. You know, the guy with a stick on Ethereum, come on, do something.
This looks like, you know, when you say, hold, 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 and then it pops up a little bit. Oh. Now sell! Oh. Now sell! Now sell! What the hell? What? Think of this thing. Yeah, it was a steep dive down. So we could have like a reversal here, but this reversal will have to come over. Yeah, well, let's see here. Same amount of time. I mean, a little bit more time, right? So you can say,
it's not gonna be. It's not gonna be in that time range.
It's gonna be like, yeah, Jesus, a lot more time. Yeah, I don't think it'll make it, right? It's gotta. Oof, damn, no. That means anything's possible. We retest 4,000 again, but this is like, that's some serious hopium.
Yeah. But I don't disagree with this, for example.
Yeah, exactly.
If you look at this, that it's like, it's altcoin season, and now clearly it's Bitcoin season. But
yeah,
at those levels, wow, historically speaking, it's been very profitable in...
Yeah, I think you could say for sure buying alts here is a good idea.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to make more dollars.
Very risky, but yeah,
yeah,
I agree.
Exactly.
I agree, because if you look at this chart, you can even zoom back all the way. You can see that whenever we touch those levels we are now, I mean, we can go lower, yes, but historically, I mean...
historically, we've reversed.
And I think it would be a good risk to reward ratio, right?
Yeah, and so, yeah, you could always start dollar cost averaging now into alts, but remember what the title says. Not priced in Bitcoin. Bitcoin will slap the dollar off your hands.
The living heck out of...
It'll slap you into next week. Slap the black off you.
Yeah. And if you scroll back quickly, sorry, I just wanted to show you. If you scroll down quickly, you can see for the past 90 days which token has outperformed Bitcoin. None. None.
Oh damn!
I mean, there is a few, right? But yeah, it's again, it's all based on the time frame you measure it with, right? So there has been a few they've done quote better, but in the longer, the darker box there, which is Bitcoin, is getting towards the left side of the chart. If you would have checked this 3 months ago, Bitcoin would have been much more on the other side. Hence, many more altcoins that would have surpassed it. But yeah, it's going towards this side, which means it's becoming way more convenient to hold Bitcoin than anything else.
There you go.
And some of those, by the way, are big projects, right? But you can see it there. Again, this is total 2, so everything but Bitcoin. And there is a channel that arguably we want to go higher, right? Maybe we'll bounce back on that line, which is going to indicate that everything but Bitcoin could go higher, could rise up.
Yeah, I think, what do you mean? Everything but Bitcoin could rise up?
Is it total 2, the market cap without Bitcoin?
Yeah, this is a market cap, so everything could rise up. Oh, I see. And then Bitcoin could rise but outperform this. So let's just say this thing comes up to the center. Everybody would be freaking out. Right? Comes up to 1.7 trillion market cap. oh my God, both seasons coming, blah, blah, blah. Things are going to rally. Things are doing well. But really,
Priced in Bitcoin.
priced in Bitcoin now.
Exactly. There's going to be a bunch of winners. Like, I am sure, I don't know which one are those, but there's going to be, I don't know, 5, 10 projects. They're going to outperform Bitcoin in the 2 months or 90 days, as we see.
Yeah, exactly.
We're good luck in finding them.
Yep.
Same story. All right, this is funny because it's connected to our Degen segment. Someone sued Phantom Wallet because they got hacked. And I was like, what?
500K meme coin theft linked to alleged security flaw.
What?
I mean, but meanwhile, it's alleged, right? Because meanwhile,
Yeah.
somebody broke into his house, his computer, right?
Someone broke into his house, got into the computer.
and took the meme coins.
Well, you should sue Apple too, because they got into his computer.
Exactly.
So the list is long. The landlord, Apple, whatever the manufacturer of the key of the front door,
Yep.
the building. Damn. This is nuts. Like, if security is in your hands, it's always like a user thing, right? Otherwise, especially if every single user would have suffered about something that Phantom has done, maybe there could be arguably something. But just this guy. So good luck in getting money off this.
I know, Jesus. Anyways,
People
guys,
try.
I'm still playing Medieval Empires. This is a game that should be releasing shortly, right? I have a lot of land, and I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to play a little bit of it right here.
How's the chart looking? Are you still in the top 5?
What, the Medieval Empires?
Yeah.
Not so good. The chart? No.
Not so good because you were killing, man.
Oh, whoa! You mean me playing?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. I'm in the top 5.
Yeah, there you go. Because I remember you was killing it.
Okay, I thought you thought the tokens. Okay, so
Oh
yeah,
no, the game.
the game. Yeah, I'm gonna. That's what I'm gonna show you guys, right? So right here, I'm in the top 4, right? Wow. And I'm just like right behind this guy, the CVW, who was always on the number 1 right spot. But anyways, I'm gonna take out his spot very shortly, right? And if you guys want to join my land, right, just type in mee.davincij15.com, right? And if you sign up under that and then join any of my lands, I have a new level 5 land. So if you want to play as, Crusaders, right, you can do so. And for a limited time only, I'm going to be, keeping taxes really, really low for these guys, right? For anybody who plays Medieval Empires, right? Also, for those who play on this Valhalla 505, right? I know I'm charging a lot of taxes and a lot to play here.
Yeah, but you got rewards, right?
But you're going to get rewards. I'm going to be giving away 100,000 me tokens.
Wow,
That's quite a lot.
Yeah.
Right, to every one who gets on gets this up to 20. Level 20, the land up to level 20, and then we're gonna do another giveaway after that to level 25. Okay.
Damn, the amount of stuff I haven't seen the game for maybe a month or so. The amount of stuff they've added is insane.
Yeah, exactly. Yes, there's a lot of stuff that's added. They now have like what's it called? A lockbox, so you can see how much you have of each and every added pills, these things to help speed it up. The speed ups, that's what they're called, speed ups.
I love that big flag you have in the town. I have not seen those before.
Yeah, this is new.
New design. Wow.
I think because of my level 25, this is a level 25 town, so
Yeah.
it also that's
What are those plants that are new as well?
Yeah, these are just plants you can buy and install and build. Right, you can build all kinds of plants and stuff like that.
Wow.
So, like, I can go decorative, right, and choose any kind of plant I want. Right.
That's amazing. And you just buy them off and you just put them down.
Exactly. Yeah.
Wow.
So if I want a palm, oops. Really? No. It's big. There's another building. Oh yeah, there's buildings in construction. So because I can only do 2 buildings at a time.
Oh yeah.
Well, technically it's normally only 1, but because I'm a VIP, I can do 2. Right?
It's amazing.
And there you go.
When it comes to army and did they added new warriors or new?
Oh yeah, I
heroes?
got a lot of. Here, I'll show you some of the warriors. In 1 second, let me just get this started. Boom.
Nice.
All right, and so for example, look at the different warriors you can get.
Oh wow.
Lumberjack,
Wow.
a dark elf, Kaya elf. Look at that. Look at that. All these different.
Wow, this is so many.
Yeah, exactly.
Damn.
Yeah, exactly. All kinds of crazy men, and then same with archers, right?
Oh wow, look at those. Yeah, so many different types.
Mm-hmm.
Are you kicking butts in combat?
Yeah, obviously,
yeah?
just
Nice.
just nuking people. Absolutely nuking. Like just they don't stand a chance.
Yeah, I bet. I wonder when the PvP is gonna come out. It's gonna be super fun.
Exactly, because then when it's like clan against clan, I mean my clan is just like you can see, because they're gonna do P for P on versus clan.
Mm-hmm.
So if you join my top clan, look, my clan just overpower everybody
Wow.
except for one guy.
Wow. The archer looks like Mr. M. I love archery, by the way.
So join my clan. There's lots of space, right? And yeah, we'll just absolutely dominate. When that's player versus player. Clan, it's clan versus clan. We'll just dominate.
Yeah, I look at that. Number 2. Not for long. I think you're gonna get to number 1 soon anyway. Wow.
All right. Well, it's time for that section where things get a little dirty. And we're only at 78 likes, man. Jesus. Can we get to 100, man? Like, so easy. How many people watching right now?
We got 4,400, about 200 on YouTube, and 4,200 on X.
Wow. And like nobody's watching on Rumble. Jesus.
Yeah, Rumble is
Dead.
It's dead. It's dead.
Did. All right. Well, anyways, we're on Rumble, right? So watch it over there too if you don't like YouTube. Yeah, so we're going to show you guys some scary stuff happening, right? Things that you probably want to avoid.
Thanks. Yeah, I had the sound of Medieval Empire, but it wasn't too loud.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it was like super tiny.
Okay, good. Because I was playing the game. So anyways, that was
cool.
good.
Are you good for me to switch on?
Wait. Let me just close the game. Right.
Okay. It was actually quite nice. I think it was a perfect volume, but
let's switch over. Let me just first check to see if my wallet's open.
Short bus, here we come. Dude, I've asked the same question. I don't know if we should show the chat.
Jesus.
Man. No.
We shouldn't have got on that bus, dude. We shouldn't have got on that bus.
Man.
Well, the only protection of the short bus, I think I was selling everything, and the short bus shorted us. Did we actually? Maybe we got the sell order because.
Luke is here. Look, we just had a Medieval Empire segment. Hopefully you caught it. We spoke about me.
Mm-hmm. If not, you could just rewind.
Yeah, exactly.
Well, the short bus shorted us.
The short bus, man. I had so much faith. I mean, not as much as in retarded dog. Retarded dog.
Dude, I was selling everything. I had zero faith.
Short bus season. I mean, is this because Bitcoin pumped?
I don't know.
And the bus got wrecked.
The bus got wrecked. Maybe.
Yeah, watch it. Look, we literally showed how powerful Da Vinci has become. Mm-hmm. Look at that. Look at this. See? I knew it. I knew the retarded dog would have done it. Did we double?
Should we get more?
Did we double?
I don't think so.
No?
It just started, man.
Oh, we had no protection on retarded dog.
No protection.
I like it.
You like retarded dog?
Yeah.
We should get more?
I told you. I knew this would have pumped. I mean, to be honest, I was expecting the bus to go also, but
Yeah, exactly.
I mean, as the bus has gone somewhere, it's just somewhere we don't like.
Somewhere, yeah.
Went off the cliff, exactly.
Look at that. We've got $15 in retarded dog. So
See, boom, boom.
we should add.
What was the other one? Back. What was the name of the other one?
Dick butt.
Dick. What's Dick Butt is doing? I'm sure he's up also. Is the dick up? Come on, retarded dog. No, look at this. See? You had no faith on these two. These are my two.
Yeah, exactly.
This is the only two I'm winning because lately I'm getting destroyed.
Damn.
It's all about the dick butt. And the retarded dog. I know. But this is what we are here for, right? For the retarded dog.
Wow.
So this is doing. They had no protection on dick butt.
Yeah, exactly. I thought we were gonna get crushed.
See,
Yeah, we'll get it up the butt.
It's how much money did we made on this?
I don't know. Maybe like a few dollars.
Didn't we double?
No.
No.
We got this around $5 million market cap, dude.
Oh yeah, true. Well, it's on.
And I don't think we bought this because I said let's just leave it.
No, we didn't buy dick butt.
Did we buy it? Let's see.
We bought the dog because you said pick one.
Yeah. I bought the dog, but I'm not sure about the butt.
We didn't buy dick butt. Man.
Yeah, we did.
We did. Let's go. I mean, we're gonna double. Easy.
It's going to $1.
It's going higher.
It's going higher.
That's
wow.
I know. What are the chances? These two go home today and say, honey, I bought and I didn't sell my butthole.
Damn, yes, honey, and I didn't sell the butthole. She'd be like, we're winning.
Oh my no, they restricted the account. Guess it's a great sign.
Yes.
This is a fantastic sign.
Perfect sign.
Dick and butt, what could possibly go wrong? Exactly. What could possibly go wrong with dick and butt? This is actually a great sign. Apparently, this is a what was the a meme in the 80s?
What the hell?
See, this is it. This is it, man. This is the one. Look at that. Look at that chart up there. That goes. You have the meme coins then and the meme coins now. All in. Retard final coin. We need to get the others, man.
No,
we need to get retard finance.
Retard finance.
Why don't we have retard finance?
Okay, we'll get some retard finance.
Why don't we have retard finance?
I can't believe we are here.
It's the old family. It's the old group. Why don't we have retard finance? Did we even look into this?
I think we did look at that.
Oh, this is going the opposite. refi. Yes. Do you remember this?
Oh my god.
That's amazing.
We are here. We're should we get this?
I think it's gonna go higher. It's gonna be part of the. I mean, I don't have much. I have to be careful with the words I'm going to select next. Put them in a row.
Wow.
But I think a retard finance could be part of the play. Part of the play. And look, we're buying the bottom here.
Clearly.
Fantastic entry for refi. No financial advice.
Make sure you load up today.
Not that to track on retarded finance.
Is there anything else should we get?
Retarded coin finder.
Oh man, that's too high, man. That's like 100 and some odd million market cap.
Really?
120.
How about the Ethereum Maxi? That looks funny.
Yeah, but it's on Ethereum, right?
Ah, true.
Well,
Imagine if it wasn't Solana.
That would be weird.
That would be a buy immediate. Immediate buy. Yeah, I think it's going to be on need. That's a good point.
There it is. Oh, wait, it is on Solana.
Wow, look at that. Did we miss this?
It's flying.
So the only question is what a truly Degen would do.
Mm-hmm. Damn.
How old is this? Are you in the 15 minutes?
Exactly. It's like 2 days, 3 days old.
Look at that bump.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus.
Damn, G.
It could go higher.
Mm-hmm.
I mean,
you're struggling. Should we bother? I mean, we missed this, right?
I mean, I would keep a bookmark because let's see if we can. Got candle. Yes, got candle on Ethereum Maxi.
Jesus.
I don't know if we can find something much more interesting than this.
Wow.
I think it could be a buy.
Wow. I'm not sure about that.
It's going to fill the portfolio really well with all the other things that we have.
Wow. Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave these ones up.
Okay.
This is so weird.
This
is so weird.
Retarded dog.
This is so weird.
I mean, I get dick butt, but it's some weird ways. But because apparently it was a meme or whatever. But retarded dog. What?
What?
I know.
What? What?
I know. It Maxi is flipping Ethereum.
Oh damn!
We need to get some.
The trenches. Trenches, man. Jesus.
Before it's too late.
The trenches.
I have a feeling that we will regret not buying
Probably.
Ethereum Maxi.
Probably. Should we get it?
I think we should. I think we should.
Man,
Guys, what do you think? Let us know in the chat. Put one in the chat.
I feel dirty just buying this thing.
I know you're just looking at it.
Exactly.
But it's Ethereum Maxi. It's perfect. And it's on Solana. It's fantastic. It has all the characteristics.
Can you imagine if this thing goes to $1 billion market cap or flips Ethereum? Right?
Imagine.
On Solana.
On Solana. That would be hilarious. I mean, we are most likely buying the top, right? Okay.
Yes.
But we got someone in the chat. Okay, guys, we're doing it. We're doing it.
Oh my gosh.
In the hunt of...
I can't believe we went full maxi. You never go full maxi. You never go.
How many ones?
Never go.
Guys, we're doing it. We bought it. Like in the search of purpose for the bloodline retirement, we had to do it, right?
Really? Really? Let's not say we did.
Yeah, no, that one.
What? Let's not say we did.
Yeah, look, definitely fun, but most likely down. Yes, most likely, bro. That's accurate. See those, for example. Would you rather have this or retarded dog? I mean, it's no brainer. I'll take the dog, man.
Damn, G.
Is there one called utility? This number, was it 18?
18.
There?
This one?
No.
Oops.
Where was this one? What number is it? Oh, 13. Sorry, no 18.
Yeah, the utility fell out of that one.
It is going down.
The utility. Yeah, see how hard he worked on this one? He did the U very carefully.
Yeah.
A T. Kind of messed up on the I, but it's still got the L. Another I, perfect. T. Y. So you should buy.
The last one. Why you should? Why? But yeah, this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! He worked hard. He worked so hard. He ran it through AI.
Utility.
Oh my god!
I mean, we could be buying the bottom here.
Oh my god!
Just saying. This could be the bottom for utility.
Yeah. What the hell?
Oh, it's RWA.
RWA.
With a bunch of ladies.
Real world ass.
No. It's yeah.
Wow.
Okay, he went there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh boy.
Oh my gosh. I think we're done.
I think we retarded dog and Ethereum Maxi.
Yeah, exactly. I feel like buying anything else here, right?
Could
is
be
just
risky.
retarded. It's just retarded.
Could be risky.
It could be risky.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah.
It's hilarious. It's hilarious.
Oh wow. All right, guys. Do you have any questions for us?
I did save a few, yeah. Make sure you smash up the like button. We have 100 likes, which is
Yeah.
awesome. 110 also. So make sure to help and support the channel. Okay, so what would be the price of Solana at the end of the year? A good one.
Wow. I don't know what it'll be at the end of the year, but generally I think Solana will probably top out. Maybe we'll get above get closer to this $300 mark, but that's the best case scenario at this point in time because of the failed move all the way down to 95K, which is a 60% drop. It's really difficult to recover that because what happens is at every single level on the way up there, people are going to be like, "Oh my God, thank you, I'm going to sell everything." Right? And there's a lot of coins out there, a lot. So there's so many levels that people are just going to dump. Right? There'd have to be, a fundamental shift that nobody saw coming that would have gotten that would get Solana above the $300 mark, right? And then those people who are like, "Oh, let me sell," they'd probably go, "Well, the fundamentals have changed now." Right? So it means it's going higher, like you.
It's going higher.
It's going higher.
So do you think there is no scenario that we will see Solana at...
I just finished saying
Yeah, no, I know, but there's... yes, but... Because I was expecting, I'm not going to lie, I was expecting by the end of this run, Solana to get to maybe $1,000.
Same here. But
that chance is...
Yeah. Right. If Solana existed probably in the beginning, it would have done it.
But it was already had the run from $10
if it already existed, like if we were to go back in time and then when Solana, when cryptocurrencies were new, probably would have done it. But now with so many cryptos and stuff like that, money going everywhere, and
fair enough. Okay. I like this comment, Jason. Thank you for doing this so we don't have to.
You're welcome.
You get it, Jason. You get it. We're doing it to show you how not to. I mean, you should not buy a retarded dog.
Yeah, exactly.
But yeah.
But if you do, make sure you take out your fault insurance.
Your fault insurance.
Because that was just retarded.
They could retire the bloodline.
Oh, damn.
Retire dog. That's it. That's a ticker. Will Bitcoin go back to 84.8? I mean...
I'm not. That's a little precise there.
Yeah, it's 85.4 now.
Yeah. So chances are,
it's possible
because the market volatility, we have to go sideways first before we run, right? So we're not gonna. It's not like we're gonna go running right now. We shouldn't run, but it's all possible. But we should go sideways because we already ran up from the lows to where we are today. So we're up like 10K, right? From the lows, right? So that's significant. So generally, we even if we were in a bull market, if things just started getting bullish, we generally have to consolidate every once in a while, and this would be a consolidation point.
Yep. I like this one. Suggest 5 coins for the next 3 to 5 years. I can go easy.
Bitcoin, Bitcoin,
Exactly.
Bitcoin, and Bitcoin.
Bitcoin. There you go.
Yeah, because if you're taking 5 years, all those three coins that we mentioned will outperform any other coin significantly.
Imagine recommending retarded dog, Ethereum Maxi, dick butt. I had to go there. Sorry. 3 out of 5.
You had to go there. You had to go there. Wow.
But yeah, no, I agree with Avicii. Bitcoin. That's it. That's for sure.
Yeah. Well, meantime, between now and 5 years, there'll be a lot of meme coins and stuff that pop off, but then come back down again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Exactly. Europe will make a digital euro to control our money. Yeah.
Yep. So
Pretty much spot on.
right. That's right. They want to. I don't know why they're bothering, because they can just take your money anyways from your bank account. So they already have a digital euro.
I wanted to
And
ask you
so-
this: how likely do you think they're going to pull a Cyprus 2.0, where they're going to take 10% of all the European money in the banks? Because I think it's coming.
Yeah, it's you know what? If it wasn't, if the probabilities would have been less than 50%, if they didn't come out with that warning, hey,
The backpack for the war.
you might want to carry a backpack of water everywhere you go. And by the way, you might want to have 72 hours of food, right, in your house, right? And should the enemy say that things are good, don't believe them. I'm like, excuse me?
Yeah. I know I wouldn't. If you would have told me in 20, even before the pandemic, that this would have happened, I would have gone like, what?
Exactly. What?
It's just
So, and if you don't believe that, you could check it out. I mean, CNN covered it. Every other news line covered it. So basically, with that puts the probability well over 50% that they're just going to take the money.
yeah.
Hey, that's not your money. It's my money. Oh, by the way, we're not thieves. We're just investing it for you. We're investing it for long term. Don't worry, you get it back.
Yeah.
Once we inflate.
We're
the
just
money
gonna
away.
borrow it for a few
Once we
days.
inflate the money away, of course, but you'll get it back.
We'll send it back.
Yeah, exactly. Once we print a bunch of money, of course we double the money supply.
Details, right? Details. Yeah. Do you still have a $20 plus price on XRP as a target? I don't think it's gonna go to $20. I don't know what you think, but it's
It's still possible.
it's 10x on XRP.
You know, exactly. It's possible, right?
I
Because
know.
there's enough dumb people out there.
Yeah, but
Have
the
you
amount
seen
of-
them? Have you seen the XRP army, dude?
Yes.
They're as dumb as rocks.
Yeah, but
So-
the amount of, I mean,
There's a lot of them.
market cap.
There's a lot of them.
Yeah, but the people are gonna sell, right? Like the 10x on XRP now. Oof. I mean, okay, down to a degree, there is possibility for everything. Like an alien race comes down tomorrow and
Exactly,
takes
yeah.
over. But 10x is XRP going to double? Probably.
Yeah, but I mean, it did go pretty high, right? It got out of the basement under 50 cents to $2, almost $3, right? So that's pretty high are people dumping? Yeah, they are, but not as much as I expected. I thought we would come back at least below the 150 mark, right? But we didn't.
What's the market cap of XRP at the moment? Do you know?
I don't
on top
know.
of your head?
It's somewhere high up in the top 10, in the high top 10, maybe top 5, which is ridiculous, right? Obviously,
Yeah.
because most of the coins are held by some other people that are waiting for it to get high enough to dump on all y'all.
I mean, I guess all it depends on Bitcoin as always, right? If Bitcoin goes into a crazy run and it goes to a 500,000, well, I don't think XRP is going to do a 10x anyway, but it might go to, I don't know, $6, $8 maybe. But that's my opinion, and I don't know. I'm just speculating.
All right. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's episode, and we'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Cheers.